Okay, so a customer called for Kia RIO 2019. Her ignition was busted out and broken completely. So I took out the cylinder from the ignition, tried to rekey it, a new ignition, rekey it to the old ignition. Let you know as soon as I'm done. Now it's rekeyed to the old key, turning, going inside and out, right here, and it won't go in because this needs to be depressed in. So what we're going to do is take the key, turn it, that's it, that goes straight to the top, this part goes on top. Make sure it stays on top and press this part, the retainer. Okay, then straight in. And this fell off. Make sure it stays on somehow. So it slides right in. Clicks right in here. Now I gotta take the other rubber piece, put it right here. That's what makes it stay in place. I can take this out, put back the ring, make sure everything works smooth. Key turns, key goes out. Now, only thing that's left to do is go to the car and put it back in. Be right back. Alright, here we go. Put it back in. This is a little broken because somebody came in and broke the whole ignition. I'm sure you know how it is with Kia and Hyundai. Just people know how to break into them through a window. Right there. And then tear it apart. But this is not the super essential part for it. So we're just going to put this, plug it back in here. Using one hand, but here we go. Put this here. This goes right in here. Key goes in here, so we'll depress the retainer. There we go, we got a key working. Awesome. Let's put all these pieces half broken back together and we're all good to go.